Father, I was already going to your church to see you.
Oh, yeah. So,
Please.
any problem?
Yes, there's a little problem, and I need to discuss it with you in your church.
Okay, you know what? Let's go somewhere and discuss it, okay? Don't worry, let's go. We are the church.
I prefer we go to the church.
No, church is the building. We are the church. Okay? We are the church.
I'm a sinner, and I don't think that God can forgive me.
Don't worry. No sin that God can never forgive. Even though it's like a dark hole, God will just clean you as snow. Okay?
Master,
Don't worry.
there are so many sins I have committed, but the one that is bothering me, that made me to want to see you, is you personally have sinned against you.
How? I know God will forgive you. God will forgive. Just confess your sin. He will forgive you. He will hear you with all your heart.
See, okay, I have slept with your sister.
My sister.
Yes.
Oh, Holy Mary. Why? Why will you do that?
That was why I said that. But he said
no,
that
this one God can never forgive you. And me will never forgive you. Why? Why did you do so? Why did you sleep with my sister? Why? Why do you sleep with my sister?
No, Father.
Is it good? If God will forgive all sins, He will not forgive you. Even I will not forgive you. Why did you sleep with my sister?
But you said that God will forgive me. You said that God will forgive all sins.
I don't know what you want to say before I said God will forgive you. Now you have said. Why did you sleep with my sister? Why did you sleep with my sister?
That was why I don't
want me to not do?
No.
I will not do now.